Larry with MarineMax in Jacksonville here, and today we're going to talk about this beautiful 2026 Grady-White 235 Freedom. This is a great boat for the family, extremely versatile, easily trailerable, and this is going to give you a lot of options on what to do when you're out on the water. We're going to start with the power plant here, which is a Yamaha 350 horsepower engine, color matched to the interior color of the boat. Absolutely beautiful, quiet, fuel efficient. Easily push this boat into the upper 40s. If you're a fisherman, you're going to love this live well here that's in the transom bulkhead. It's also fully insulated, which will give you a second cooler option if you like. And then right next to it is your fish box, which is also fully insulated. You can use it as dry storage, a cooler. It hoses out, there's no pumps needed. And notice the nice stainless steel hardware and gas shocks on these boats, highest quality components with Grady-White. Moving forward, we've got a really nice, comfortable rear bench seat that folds flat to give you more space in the cockpit. And I'm going to show you this rear-facing seat that's going to slide out and become an electric lounge. Powers out like this, butts right up against that rear bench seat, gives you like some L-shaped seating and a really nice lounge. That's pretty cool. You've got rod holders in the gunnels. You've got rod holders in the T-top frame, so you've got lots of storage space for rods, but you also have a nice towing attachment up top as well for when you want to pull a tube or a wakeboarder or skier. It's a great opportunity to do both things in one day. Go fishing and go water skiing. You've got a freshwater sink here, and then a freshwater pull-out shower at the transom. Neat little prep station here. The boat does come with a Yeti cooler underneath that slides out, so you've got lots of storage for your drinks and your food, etc. As we move up to the helm, you've got plenty of real estate here to mount any kind of electronics that you would like, any brand. Got a stereo built into it. This boat's got the digital electric integrated steering system. There's no more hydraulic, butter smooth operation. You're going to absolutely love the way this boat handles. For the family, we've got this head compartment here with a marine head. As you can see, the door gives you a really nice wide opening where adults can get in and out of this with absolutely no problem. Something that you don't see on a lot of other boats. As you move forward, you can see you've got some great seating up front with really nice plush cushions and a windlass for when you're at the sandbar. Makes it really easy to anchor up the boat. And last but not least, we're going to talk about this hardtop here, which gives you great coverage from the sun. You've got built-in life jacket storage, and you've got a rear shade that's powered that comes all the way out to cover the entire cockpit. If you'd like to sea trial this Grady 235, give us a call at 904-545-5310. Thank you.